Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your Discord profile link. It's super easy and I'll guide you step by step. Before we dive in, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really supports the channel. So let's get started. First, open Discord and look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a little gear icon. Click that to open your settings. Next, on the left-hand side, scroll down to App Settings and select Advanced. Here, make sure Developer Mode is turned on. This is important because it allows you to access your user ID, which you'll need to create your profile link. Once that's done, go to any server you're part of and find one of your messages. If you haven't sent one yet, type something and post it. Then, click on your profile name above the message and a small window will pop up. Click on your profile picture and then hit Edit Profile. On the right side, click the three dots labeled More, and you'll see the option to copy user ID. Click it. Now that you have your user ID, open a notepad or Word document and type the following: https://discord.com/users/. Then paste your user ID right after the slash. That's it. This is your unique Discord profile link. You can now copy this entire URL and share it with anyone. To test it, just paste it into a web browser, hit enter, and you'll go directly to your profile. And that's all there is to it. Sharing your Discord profile link is fast, easy, and now you can give anyone direct access to your profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.